Hey, first off, you got anything on you?
No.
Can I pat you down real quick just to make
Oh,
sure?
no, it's good, you're good.
Okay. Okay.
Anyways,
Hey everyone, the body cam video you're watching is from March 8th, 2023. This was the day Tacoma police arrested former NBA player Shawn Kemp in connection with a drive-by shooting. Today we're going to use this footage to take a deep dive into the events of that day and the circumstances that led up to them.
I actually called him last night. Actually, I'm going to see them.
So what happened?
Walked into my car last night, man.
What happened?
Started tracking him about 3:30 this morning. You got you do it on your phone, you track your phone. So they were going to basically, they were going to every casino. I knew it was this guy because I saw him at the casino, not in the parking lot last night. I asked him, I said, did you break into my car? Took all my short keys, all the shit out of my truck, and then they took off last night. But today, when I pulled up here to the parking lot, I was like, come on, I'm going to track him again. I found him in the parking lot, so he yeah, man, I'm just trying to get this goddamn phone. I have my business keys in there where I do my business, man. So, I mean, yeah, and, I'm not trying to get those. We've been on alert all day because, they might be stolen the spot stores. So.
Yeah, I'm on.
It's a newer model, but your model.
And you say gray.
And I can tell you this on the, so it was more like a grayish, blackish, but on the back window, you know how they have those, it has like a tint, but they also have like a child screen where you can put like a little white piece
On the back
on that back window.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
You didn't get a plate like that, huh?
No, I didn't get his plate. That motherfucker ran over the pole over there trying. And when they fired that first couple of shots, I was just like, shit. Good thing I went to the back. I mean, the thing about it is the phone is replaceable. It was just the fact that these guys ran just ripped us off before they could get rid of it. That's all it was, man.
So the driver, what did he look like? You said he was a black man?
He's like a light-skinned black man.
About how old did that guy look?
In the 30s, probably early 30s.
Could you tell what he was wearing?
Not really. He got out on the far side of the truck. Like I said, when I was walking up to him, I kind of see some movement in that back seat. Then I watched enough where I was just like, nah, don't go for that shit. Yeah. As soon as I took 3 steps back, the window rolled down, and that was the first one.
Was it on the left side of the car or the right side of the car? The white guy that shot? It's okay if you don't know. You just know if someone in the back seat rolled down the window and started shooting.
Yeah.
And what did the white guy look like?
I couldn't tell you.
About how old was he?
Probably late 20s, early 30s. I didn't get a good glimpse. He went.
So that is the full story as revealed by that day's body cam footage and the subsequent legal proceedings. It's a stark example of how a situation involving a stolen phone can escalate into a serious legal matter. We hope this video provided you with all the information you were looking for. If you found this breakdown insightful, please hit the like button and let us know in the comments what you think about this situation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more important updates and deep dives. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.